Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fat loss drinks. We'll start by emphasizing the importance of hydration. Drinking a large glass of water first thing in the morning can significantly boost your metabolism and prepare your body for the day ahead. Throughout the day, aim to consume at least 8 glasses of water. This simple habit is fundamental for supporting your body's natural fat-burning processes and overall well-being, setting a strong foundation for your journey. Next, let's create a powerful green tea and lemon elixir. Brew 1 cup of your favorite green tea, allowing it to cool for a few minutes. Then, squeeze in the juice from half a fresh lemon. Green tea contains catechins, which are compounds known to enhance fat oxidation. The lemon adds a refreshing taste and provides vitamin C, further supporting your metabolism. Enjoy this simple yet effective drink once or twice daily to aid your fat loss goals. Now, let's explore the benefits of an apple cider vinegar concoction. Combine 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with about 8 ounces of water. For a more palatable taste, you can add a dash of cinnamon and a small teaspoon of honey. Apple cider vinegar is believed to help regulate blood sugar levels and promote feelings of fullness. Drinking this mixture before meals, up to 3 times a day, can be a helpful addition to your fat loss strategy. Finally, let's prepare a soothing ginger and turmeric infusion. Slice a small piece of fresh ginger and add it to a cup of hot water along with a pinch of ground turmeric. Allow these ingredients to steep for about 10 minutes, then strain the mixture. Both ginger and turmeric are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties and can support digestion. This warm, comforting drink is a wonderful way to end your day or enjoy any time, contributing positively to your fat loss journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.